Welcome to part 4 of this series, in which you will learn the techniques of threading by hand. An external thread can be cut onto suitable round material, such as round bar, tubes, and electrical conduit. The tools used to produce threads are known as dies. In this program, we shall be demonstrating the use of the split die, popularly used for general threading on solid, round material up to around 25 millimeters diameter. Split dies are obtainable in sets, along with taps. A set of taps and dies contains several different size dies and handles, known as stocks. The stock holds the die in position. The screws provide means to make small adjustments to the cutting depth. The handles are used to transmit power during the turning operation. Every die is stamped to identify its thread type and thread diameter. The die-cutting teeth are tapered to provide a lead. The side with the longer taper is the one which will first engage the workpiece, thus providing stability and centering. To set the die initially, slacken all the adjusting screws fully and fit the die with the split in line with the center screw. Tighten the center screw, ensuring that the taper engages the die slot. This will slightly open the die for the rough cut operation. Nip up the two side screws without pressure. After the break, we shall demonstrate the threading procedure.